Hello children, as we have completed our two topics of this chapter where to look from, today we will know about mirror halves and dividing objects. Dividing objects is also known as symmetry. Our third topic is mirror halves. First come to know about mirror. Children, do you know what is mirror? Mirror is nothing but reflection. Whatever we show in front of the mirror, same thing will get reflected. Now children, come to know about what is mirror halves. When one shape becomes exactly like another if you flip, slide or turn it. Let's start. Draw the other half of these pictures and find out what these things are. Try doing it with a mirror. Okay children, now tell me what is this? Yes, this is an apple. You can see with the help of a mirror. You can see its full image in the mirror. Its half image is reflected in the mirror and it becomes an apple. Let's draw its full image. Now children, same as above, you have to observe which object is this. Yes, this is a butterfly. And next one, yes, you are right, this is a diya. It's called an oil lamp also. You have to complete in your maths magic, that is course book, page number 8. Children, our next question is guess the letters from their mirror halves. As first one is done for you. You have to guess which letter is this. Half is already written for you. Yes, you are correct. M-A-T. It's a mat. Now come to third one. Now children, guess. It's a new word for you. Yes, you are correct. It's a code. C-O-D-E. Same as many more examples are given in your maths course book. Please refer page number 11. Now children, our third example is half is written in front of the mirror and full image is shown in the mirror. As you guess, it's a code, C-O-D-E. Same as many more examples are given in your maths course book. Please refer page number 11 and complete it. Kids, our last topic is symmetry. Do you know what is symmetry? Symmetry. An object is symmetrical when it is exactly the same on both sides when you fold it in half. Now, here are some things that are symmetrical. In shapes, few shapes are given. As you can see, it is vertically divided, horizontally divided and diagonally also divided. Few letters are given like A, H, I, M, X, U, W, T. Same as two insects are given, ladybug and butterfly. If we will draw a vertical line, it will in two similar halves. Same as in butterfly also. Likewise numbers 1803. As you can see in 0, 0 is divided in two parts like horizontally or vertically. Can you think of any other symmetrical shapes, children? Kids, here are few examples and my question is, using a dotted line, can you divide the following pictures into two similar halves? If we draw a dotted vertical line in the middle, then would be able to divide it into two similar halves? Yes, we would be. Let's draw. Let's draw a dotted vertical line. Yes, we have done. It means this envelope is in symmetrical shape. Same as a ladybug is given. For this, I am going to draw a horizontal line for dividing into two similar halves. Let's check. Yes, this is also in symmetrical shape. Same as an arrow is given. Let's check whether it is in symmetrical shape or not. Yes, it is also in symmetrical shape. Children, it's a square shape. Its four sides are equal. We can divide it vertically, horizontally and diagonally. But remember, after dividing, two halves would be same. If not, it means they are not in symmetrical. See, I am drawing a dotted line diagonally, vertically, now horizontally. For more examples, please refer page number 10 and complete it in your maths course book. Thank you, children.